One of the pivotal experiences I had at BYU Law was the first year that BYU Law launched the academies, and I was able to participate in the Deals Academy, which is in New York City. And besides being, just an incredibly fun learning experience there with my classmates and professors, it was really kind of pivotal in helping me feel confident about a career path to go down. We got to work with actual lawyers in New York City. We got to eat cheesecake with Dean Smith at midnight in Times Square, and it really helped me kind of discover some of the passions that I have in law and give me the energy to pursue those throughout law school. The best advice that I could give to future law students would really just be to dive in to their education, right? Try things that sound interesting, even if you think maybe that's not a direction you want to go. Take multiple experiences during the summer, like take risks in contacting mentors or reaching out to people that are practicing an area you think is interesting. I think the more that you can explore during your law school time, the more rewarding it'll be coming out on the other end, because I think you'll both have a clear picture of what you want to do, and also just a really rich experience to look back on that's really rewarding. And specifically, I was able to be involved in the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic and the LawX Legal Design Clinic, and I loved how we could put the law into practice in those areas. In the entrepreneurship clinic, it really pushed me to try to think about what I would be like as a practitioner, and was able to bring in my own clients who were small businesses or individuals who were starting businesses, and to try to develop relationships that were meaningful and help them solve the problems that they were encountering. And in LawX, it's been an incredible opportunity to look at a problem within our community dealing with criminal records, and to see how we could solve that even just as students, and to make a really big impact on people's lives who are trying to find housing and employment. What drew me to law school was really, I believe and still do, the impact that the law has on people's lives day to day. And while I could have this really meaningful growth experience learning about the law and kind of get my intellectual fill, if you will, I could also make a difference and kind of change the way that people interact with the law on a day-to-day basis, the way that can really impact their lives.